Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the equiangular triangle. You will learn what it is, why it is special, and how its angles are always exactly 60 degrees. So, what exactly is an equiangular triangle? The name gives us a clue. Equi means equal, and angular refers to angles. Therefore, an equiangular triangle is simply a triangle where all three interior angles are equal to each other. Here is an important rule to remember. If a triangle has equal angles, it also has equal sides. This means every equiangular triangle is also an equilateral triangle. The two properties always go hand in hand. To understand the angles, we need to recall a fundamental law of geometry. For any triangle, no matter its shape or size, the sum of all three interior angles is always 180 degrees. Let us do the math. We know the total is 180 degrees. Since all three angles are identical, we can divide the total by 3. 180 divided by 3 equals 60. This gives us the defining characteristic of this shape. Every single corner of an equiangular triangle measures exactly 60 degrees. It does not matter how big or small the triangle is, the angles remain constant. These triangles are perfectly symmetrical. You can draw 3 different lines of symmetry through the center. If you fold the triangle along any of these dotted lines, the two halves will match perfectly. You can see this shape in the real world too. Many traffic warning signs use this shape because it is stable and eye-catching. You also see it in the wooden rack used to set up pool balls. Let us recap what we learned. An equiangular triangle has 3 equal angles. Each angle is 60 degrees. It is always equilateral, and the angles add up to 180 degrees. Thank you for watching this geometry lesson. Keep practicing, and you will master triangles in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.